Direction sense is a reasoning concept crucial for determining direction or distance based on movement instructions. It enhances spatial awareness, logical tracking, and mental mapping skills. In Services Selection Board, it tests candidates' ability to interpret and follow complex movement sequences accurately, often using diagrams and practice questions to solidify understanding. Direction sense is a reasoning concept crucial for determining direction or distance from movement instructions. It tests spatial awareness, logical tracking, and mental mapping skills, especially in Services Selection Board contexts. Understanding this concept enhances one's ability to navigate and interpret spatial information effectively. Cardinal directions are fundamental. North is up, south is down, east is right, and west is left. Intercardinal directions include northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Understanding these basics is crucial for accurately determining direction and distance in reasoning tasks. Always assume you're facing north unless specified. Turning right from north leads to east, while left leads to west. A complete turn back takes you south. To ensure accuracy, track each movement step by step on paper, maintaining a clear record of direction changes. Concept direction sense involves determining the direction one is facing or needs to go based on movement or instruction given. Example: Rahul walks 10 kilometers north, then turns right and walks 6 kilometers. Find the direction he is facing now. Example 1: Ram begins facing north, walking 10 meters. He turns right, heading east for 5 meters, then turns right again, moving south for 10 meters. He ends up 5 meters east of his starting point. Example 2: Seema begins at point A, moving 6 meters north. She then turns left, heading west for 8 meters, followed by another left turn, moving south for 6 meters. Seema is now positioned 8 meters west of her starting point, point A. Example 3: The boy travels 3 kilometers north, then 4 kilometers east, and finally 3 kilometers south. He ends up directly 4 kilometers east of point A. This forms a straight line parallel to the starting point, making the distance from point A exactly 4 kilometers. Avoid common mistakes in navigation problems. Confusing left and right during direction changes can lead to errors. Always draw or mentally visualize the path to maintain clarity. Remember to update your current direction after each turn to ensure accuracy in your calculations. Use arrows to visualize movements clearly. Label each point, such as A, B, C, to track positions. Always sketch rough diagrams to aid understanding. Practice with a timer to improve speed and accuracy in solving direction problems. Welcome, future officers. Today, we are sharpening a skill every leader needs: direction sense. In the battlefield of reasoning, directions are your compass. Every question is a map. Read it, picture it, and trace your steps with precision. Don't rush. A wrong turn in thought is like a wrong turn in navigation. Visualize every move: forward, backward, left, right. Make it real in your mind. Trust your logic. Your brain is your GPS, and practice makes it flawless. Every solved question is another mission accomplished. Let's march ahead and crack these direction sense challenges with confidence. Question 1. A person walks 5m north, then turns right and walks 10m, turns right again and walks 5m, then turns left and walks 10m. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? Question 2. Raj walked 25m towards south. Then he turned left and walked 20m. He then turned left again and walked 25m. Finally, he turned right and walked 10m. How far and in which direction is he from his original position? Question 3. A starts walking towards east and walks 10 m. He turns left and walks 10 m. Then again turns left and walks 10 m. Finally turns right and walks 5 m. Where is he from the starting point? These questions test spatial reasoning and direction sense, crucial for solving complex navigation problems efficiently. Question 4. A girl walks 10 meters west, turns right 5 meters, turns right 10 meters, turns left 5 meters. Which direction is she facing? Question 5. Facing east, Ram turns 270 degrees anticlockwise. Which direction is he facing? Question 6. A man goes 4 kilometers north, turns left, goes 3 kilometers, turns left again, goes 4 kilometers. Find distance and direction from starting point. Question 7. A person starts from point X, walks 7 kilometers east, then turns north and walks 5 kilometers, then west for 3 kilometers. Distance from X. Question 8. Facing south, a man turns 90 degrees right, then 180 degrees left. Final facing direction. Q9. A boy goes 6 kilometers north, then turns right, walks 8 kilometers, then left, walks 6 kilometers. Final position from start. Question 10. If a walks 5 kilometers east, 5 kilometers north, 5 kilometers west, then 5 kilometers south. Final position. Mastering direction sense is crucial for officer intelligence rating tests and military aptitude. Combine visual and verbal thinking and practice daily with increasing complexity. Best of luck, aspirants.